What is up, guys? Welcome to the second day. I didn't record the first day, but this is the official server. Right. So right now, of course, is this, and then yeah. So gonna be just adding a bunch of rules. Um, this is specifically for very special people. So if you were sent this, you are one of the very lucky people who has seen this early. Um, I trust you enough not to leak it, and yeah. So this entire thing is going to be a showcase of what the new server is. So obviously, I need to add the rules. So it's gonna take a while. So we can save that for later. And I'll be showing you how I'll be creating the roles. So we need to go to the settings, right? And then roles. So we're gonna be doing, okay? We're gonna be making a role. It's gonna be special, okay? It's gonna be like I tried to implement. Okay, so first we gotta add me. And you know what? Boom. Save. Create. Watch how easy it is. Manager. Select. Give it to me. Finish. Okay? I will be inviting you guys right now. I'm gonna keep that private though, because you guys can already see a lot on the side. I don't want you to look at anything else. So I'll be back, and yeah, it's just gonna skip. So okay, I just now invited he's into. So if you're seeing this right now, hello. Congratulations on being my first moderator. I'm actually gonna pick closest thing. Yeah. Create. Now watch this. Boom, moderator, select, skip this step. So there's no one on the moderation team because, I did invite him, but he's currently not able to join because right when I notified him, he had to go somewhere else. So, okay, now that we have that, now that our moderation, now that we have me, and then our moderation, next, we're gonna set it our guests. So, actually, no. I'm gonna give a special role. So, YouTubers. Anyone is a YouTuber? Does her look great for giving wishes? Yeah. This is for cosmetic. I'll take that. Finish. Okay. Roll style. And the roll color, obviously, you have to go straight to red. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, guys. I'm a little rusty on this. So, now that we have that, it still shows my name. That's fine. That's fine, dandy. So then, we just go to welcome and rules. Over here, we click my profile. Been 517 and YouTubers. Great. So, of course, that's just for cosmetic, such as streamer. It's gonna be purple because Twitch. I stream on Twitch, so select. And then, of course, I'm a streamer, so I'm on the streamer team, right? Yeah, there you go. And then, yeah. I'll just speed run the rest of these and I'll let you know. Let you guys know. Alright, guys, welcome back. So I have, or not welcome back, I've just been paused, but this is what I've done. So we're gonna go to permissions. Of course, I have all of them. Wait, do I not have all of them? And then, well, I don't really need to. Yeah. Boom. So, from what you can see, I have basically everything that I need. Of course I can do that. Yeah, I'm not gonna need that, so there. Just to double check anything I missed, because apparently I missed some. Okay, so you can see I have every single thing because I'm literally the owner. For moderation team, they have a little bit more strict. They can't manage channels. They can't manage channels and they can't manage roles. They can't do a lot of stuff. They can do stuff that moderators are supposed to do. Actually, wait. Yeah, they can do stuff that moderators are supposed to do, but not a bunch of OP stuff. And then YouTuber, streamer, OG, these do nothing, okay? All these do nothing. And then this is normal banana. It lets you just chat and not be super annoying. Right now it's only me because I did invite, he's into, but he's not joining right now because he can't. So, yeah. I'm gonna invite some more people in and let them test the waters and just people I trust in general. So I will be back with you guys and I will show you their activity. Bye. Alright guys, I officially have made a ton of updates. We got Saku on board. Hello. You're definitely tough. I'm very happy you're able to make it. Now, of course, I added a couple of rules. You'll be able to read these once you're in there. Of course, there's this, and then I added server boost right here. I have general right here, so you can see here. I'll go ahead and delete these because we do not need them, okay? They are very unnecessary. But, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I barely made it to monetization, but can't monetize yet. So, yeah. Hope you guys have had a great, amazing, beautiful day. Mwah, mwah. Make sure you join the current Discord server. It's kind of dead, but if you guys join it, it'll mean you can join the new server when it comes out. I'll invite, and I'll make sure it lasts a while. Of course, I'll change, if you're seeing this, like, I don't know, a month after it comes out or something, it'll just be in the bio for my YouTube. So, yeah. Hope you had a good day. Goodbye.